How's it going, everyone? So I want to make this very quick video on a Google extension called ChroPath. So this ChroPath extension allows you to grab elements from a web page that sometimes may be difficult to grab otherwise. So we'll start off by using Google to search for ChroPath. Alright, it'll be the first link at the top, which will take you to the web store. Once at the web store, we go to the top left and click Add to Chrome. Top right. We add the extension. So to give you some information on the extension, you can close that out and actually close the entire window out. And then reopen it so that we can refresh the web browser. Now it should be installed. So just looking at this page right here, google.com, if we go to the top right corner and right click on Gmail, we can inspect it. So previously, in this bottom row, there were only options up to accessibility, but now there's this extra option called ChroPath. So when we click on ChroPath, it'll allow us to copy the relative XPath, which is something that we use to identify that element within the web page. So we can go ahead and click to copy the relative XPath. Now, I've created this really quick script which uses the Selenium and the web drivers along with some other modules to open up the Chrome web driver and go to the google.com, and then it'll find the element that we just looked up, which is the Gmail link by XPath. Then I'll go ahead and copy and paste the actual relative XPath because we're searching by XPath, and then it'll go and click on it. So we'll go ahead and run this and see what it does. So I went to Google, and now it went to the Gmail start page. So we can actually go back to this original web browser window, close this out, and we could just click on Gmail, see if it's the exact same homepage that we find, and in fact we do. So this is a great little quick tutorial that you can use. Hopefully you enjoyed it and you can continue on to whatever video you were watching. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.